Hey, this is classic caillou gets ungrounded, not grounded, that's it. I will change the grounded to ungrounded. There, now that's better. Anyways, enjoy the ungrounded series out of me.
Hey, this is classic caillou gets grounded, not ungrounded. That's it. Classic caillou, get over here right now. Sorry about that, guys. Anyways, enjoy the show.
Classic Caillou, come downstairs. We have a surprise for you.
What is it, Mom and Dad?
We bought a pet for the whole family.
Really? What animal is it?
Open the box and see what it is.
We got a cat. His name is Gilbert. What do you think, Classic Caillou?
This cat is so fucking stupid. I hate cats. This cat is so ugly.
Classic Caillou, how dare you call Gilbert stupid? That was so disrespectful of you to say that.
But Mom and Dad, I want a dog, not a freaking cat.
Well, guess what? You deserve to have a cat because it's too expensive to get a dog. And because of this, you are grounded for 5 weeks. Go to your room right now.
No mi voice extranjero Ludovico.